Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day, honey. If you are new here, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. Please make sure that you like this video for the YouTube algorithm. In today's video, we are talking about Zoleka Mandela, right? So Zoleka Mandela is Nelson Mandela's granddaughter who died of a cancer, and these are the last words that she posted on her Instagram on 17 September 2023. She posted that, and I quote, "I had a CT scan administered a few weeks back, which have shown that I have blood clots as well as fibrosis in my lung. This explains the chest pains I had been feeling. My medical oncologist has recommended blood thinners and oral chemo. On the upside, I'm incredibly grateful that I'm still treatable. I'm off to bed. Good night. Good morning, beloved hearts. Love, the Oros lady." And then in brackets, she said, "I feel like my face just gets more round and puffed by the day." Close brackets, and she wrote, "Peace, passion, positivity." Wow, guys, it looks like she was just a very, very positive person. Through all the struggles that she faced with cancer, she was just positive, and we love that for her. Now, may her soul rest in peace. That is all I have for you guys. Please make sure that you subscribe and also like the video. Bye.